The 10-day Russia military exercises are underway in the Vladivostok city of Russia. This is the first time that personnel from all three services, the Army, the Air Force as well as the Navy, are taking part in the drills. The drills are seeing the participation of more than 400 Indian soldiers. The Naval Frigate INS Satpura and the corvette INS Khidmat are also part of the drills. Russia is represented by approximately 1,000 troops of the 5th Army Marines and ships of the Pacific Fleet and aircrafts from its eastern military district. The exercise is in fact codenamed Indira. In its previous 9 editions was conducted as a single service exercise alternatively between two countries.
Exercise is based on a counter-terrorism scenario wherein under the UN mandate, and this will give us greater opportunity to operate together as the tri-service of the two countries.
The exercise comes after more than a month-long standoff between India and China on the Doklam Plateau. Now, Beijing's mouthpiece news organization Global Times has claimed that the drills are directed at China since it's taking place in Russia's far east. The article claims that India is balancing defense ties with America and Russia through this exercise in particular. It goes on to say that India is joining hands with Russia to counterbalance China in the region.
We see what's going on in the Western countries and in the US as well. Our principal aim and task is to coordinate actions so that such cases do not occur on the territories of Russia and India. It's our priority.